Hello, welcome to this episode of Restoring the Past. Do any of you have a nice old book, document, map, print, box, or other item made from paper that you love but just can't display or use properly because it smells? Well, the good news is that you're not alone, so keep watching because I'm going to show you a quick, safe, and inexpensive way to get rid of those nasty odors. For this example, I have a 1970s Almez box made from paper that is in fairly good condition, but unfortunately it has developed a damp, musty smell to it over the years. This is a very common problem with old paper artifacts, but it doesn't have to be this way. Follow these simple steps to make them smell as good as new. The process for removing unwanted aromas is pretty easy. All you need is some book deodorizer, which is a harmless, non-toxic, reusable, biodegradable, and archival safe product, an airtight container, and acid-free archival tissue paper. The book deodorizer is essentially treated granules, which absorb moisture and odors. To use the product effectively, take the same weight of deodorizer as the weight of the item you want to treat. Wrap it in acid-free paper and put them all in an airtight container and leave it to sit for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. That's all you have to do. Alright, it's been 3 weeks, so let's take a look at the box. Wow, it smells great. There's no unpleasant aroma at all now. This box is definitely ready to accept whatever will be stored inside. It is clean, smell-free, and ready to be enjoyed for another 50 years or more. That's it for this episode of Restoring the Past. I hope you have found it refreshing and were able to take something away to help you with your endeavors. Paper conservation can be a tricky business, and this video by no means covered it all, but hopefully you can use this technique to help you eliminate unwanted smells. There's nothing worse than having a beautiful item that you just can't use or display. Thanks again to all the subscribers out there, and I really enjoy hearing the comments. Feel free to reach out anytime if you have any other questions. Hopefully this helps you save another little piece of history, and as always, good luck with your projects. See you next time.